Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. This video will give you a brief demonstration of working of LOGIC Business Standard software in a pharmaceutical wholesale business. First of all, let us look at the process of creating a new account of customer and supplier. Enter the name and define account type as customer or supplier. Click on Other Details to enter the contact details and address. Also define Gst details and sale nature. Drug license number can also be added in other details. Similarly, create an account of supplier with all the details. The Setup Accounts Groups option enables you to group the customers and suppliers into different categories. The most commonly used group criteria is area. Customers are allocated into different area groups. You can also allocate customers to different salesmen or agents. Create as many agents as needed. Click on Allocate and select the accounts to be allocated in that group. Expand the group to see the allocated accounts. Let us now look at the grouping of items. Setup Item Groups option enables you to group the items into different categories. Divisions of companies can be used as a criteria for grouping items. Expand the group to see the allocated items. You can create up to 30 group categories like these. Setup Company option allows you to create companies of items. Scroll down to the end of the screen and enter the desired company name and a short name. Setup Item option allows you to create new items. Enter the name of the item and select the company. Choose the groups to which the item belongs. Choose the pack size from the list. You can create a new pack size if it does not exist in the list. You can create as many pack sizes as needed. Let us look at the process of entering purchase voucher. As soon as you enter the name of the supplier, a ledger will appear in the form of widgets. Enter item name and select batch number from the list or create a new one. Last scheme details of the item entered can be seen at the top of the purchase voucher window. Widgets can also be enabled to see the previous purchase transactions of that item. Fill in other required details such as quantity, free quantity, expiry date of the item, rates and discounts. Click on View Totals to see the gross amount, discount in rupees, amount of tax and net amount. Press F2 to see the account entry of the bill. Let us make another purchase bill. These three columns are used to predefine the scheme that you want to give to your customer at the time of making a sale bill. Enter the item name, batch number, and other details. Define the quantity of sale scheme and free scheme units. Minimum sale quantity means that the free scheme will be applicable only if the customer buys equal to or more than the minimum sale quantity. It's your choice to use or not use this column. Now we will make a sale bill. Before making sale bill, let me tell you that we have used the billing display screen, which is suitable for retailers for the purpose of making this video simpler and more informative. However, it can be changed in the global settings. This is how the sale bill window will look like after changing the display settings. Enter the item and select the batch number. You will see that the purchase transactions of the item have appeared on the right-hand side. Similarly, previous sale transactions can also be enabled in widgets. After entering the quantity of 10 units, free quantity of 1 unit has been automatically picked as we had defined in the last purchase voucher. By clicking on print, the sale bill will get saved and printed. You can get the printing customized according to your requirements. Let us look at another method of giving scheme in a sale bill, if you do not want to predefine the scheme in purchase bill. Click on Sale Rate column and press F7. Here you can enter the number of free units. The rate per unit is decreasing as we enter more free units. The value of free units will be shown under Scheme. You can also control the visibility of near expiry stock in the batch window. Press F9 while you are in the batch window and change the time period accordingly. The batch which is about to expire in that specified time period will be shown in red. Now let us suppose that a customer has made a return of expired goods to you. The entry will be done in Sale Challan Return. Enter the item and choose the sale return type. When you select expired, all the expired batches will appear. Select the appropriate one and enter the quantity. After this, a credit note will be issued to the customer. So, we will make a sale return now. entering the customer name, click on Retrieve Challan. All the pending challans of the customer will appear. Select the one that you want to retrieve. You can select the items individually or click on Select All. A credit note of the selected items has been generated. The expired items returned by the customer will be further returned by you to your supplier. For this, we will make a purchase return challan. Enter the name of supplier. Then, click on Retrieve. Select the sale return that you want to retrieve. This is a simple and quick method to return the items to your supplier that were returned to you by your customers. Now let us suppose that a customer has made a payment to you through check. It will be entered in bank receipts. Select the bank account from the list. You can also predefine the narrations in all account vouchers. Enter the required details. While entering payments or receipts, pending bills are displayed. Click on the bills against which the payment is to be adjusted. Similarly, if you have to make a payment to your supplier through check, it will be entered in bank payments. Select the bank through which payment is to be made and fill other required details. After entering all the records, let us see how can we create reports in LOGIC ERP. In a pharmaceutical business, maintaining stock according to the expiry dates is one of the most important and tedious tasks to do. LOGIC ERP helps you to check the expired or near expiry stock in this report. Enter the date within which you want to check the expired stock and click on Create. The expiry report has been created. In order to finish this expired stock, we will make a purchase return. Enter the name of supplier and click on Retrieve. Choose expiry from the drop-down list. Select the other required details and enter the date within which you want to finish the stock. All the stock till the specified date will be retrieved. Let us see some other stock reports as well. Filters are given on the right-hand side of every report. Select the company of which you want to see the report. The product-wise stock and sale report displays the opening stock, purchase, sale, returns and closing stock of each item. You can check batch-wise closing stock from this report. Double-click on the batch to zoom down to its stock ledger. Click on the Excel button to copy the report in Microsoft Excel. This button can be found in every report. Let us have a look at some sale reports as well. The Sale Register Summary Report displays the sale bills in a condensed form. Double-click on the bill number to zoom down to that voucher. This option is available in many other reports as well. The Sale and Sale Return Register detailed displays the sale bills in an elaborated manner with item name, batch, quantity, rates and discounts. Items in red depict sale return items. The company and item-wise sale report shows the sale according to different companies. The consolidation of the reports can be done as per your requirements. Similarly, the Purchase Register Summary Report displays the purchase bills in a condensed manner. The Purchase and Purchase Return Register detailed exhibits the purchase bills in an elaborated manner with item name, batch number, quantity, rates and discount details. Items in red depict purchase return items. Finally, let us also have a look at some financial reports. Ledger is one of the most important reports in a business. Select the account of which you want to see the ledger. You can type and search the account name. Entry-wise ledger has been created. The dues aging analysis is used to check the current dues and outstanding amount. You can also see which bills are overdue and by how many days. You can also file Gst returns from LOGIC ERP. Select the Gstr that you want to generate. Enter the date and click on Generate. Returns can either be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Simply select the Gstr that you want to create and click on Generate. Reconciliation of Gstr2 can be done in LOGIC ERP. Choose the format of the file and browse it from your system. Gstr2A data can also be fetched online. Similarly, Gstr 3b can also be submitted automatically or manually by preparing JSON. Apart from these, other Gstr forms are also available. Thank you for watching this video. For more software-related updates, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon.